Hello everyone, and welcome back to yet another class. Today we are going to be doing more of a yoga sculpting flow. So we will be working on toning those legs, the calves, the abdomen, the arms, full body, or sculpting it all. So all you will need is some yoga blocks, possibly for modification, some water, a mat, and we can get started. Today we are going to begin standing up. We're going to get right into it. So coming to the top of your mat, we're going to come hip width apart, bringing arms up overhead. Inhaling as you do so, looking up, dropping the head. Exhaling, we're going to forward fold, bending the knees as we do so. Give me a halfway lift. Exhale again. Once more, halfway lift. Exhale, fold forward. From here, we're going to jump right into it, either hopping or stepping into plank, holding here to begin. Then we're just going to roll forward and back. Give me 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. From here, dropping the arms, coming into your first chaturanga dandasana. Exhaling, downward dog. From here, we're going to bring up the right leg, three-legged dog. Not turning out the hip, making sure to keep that hip leveled, bringing the leg up. And then we're going to bring it into the chest for 1. Extend. Into the chest 2, we're going for 8. 3. Exhaling as you come in, 4. 5. 6. 7. Last one, 8. Hold it in, dropping the front foot, pivoting the back. Inhaling, arms come up. Exhaling, warrior 2. From here, we're going to work on the legs a little bit, so we're just going to extend the front leg, exhaling each time we come down. Give me 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, last one, 8. Holding it here, bringing the hands behind the head. We're just going to try to bring the elbows down to the knee. So give me 8 on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. From here, we're just going to turn, dropping the hands, kicking back, going through that chaturanga dandasana. Upward dog. Exhaling. Downward dog. Maybe taking some time to catch your breath. Maybe 2 breaths here before doing this on the other side. So inhaling through the nose, exhaling through the mouth. Another one, inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. From here, we're going to roll forward to plank again, bringing that left knee in, extending it long. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, holding it in, dropping that left foot, pivoting the right, coming up, exhaling, warrior 2. Holding here, then we're going to lift the arms, 1, or leave them, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Again, keeping yourself here, bringing the arms behind the head, dropping the elbow to the front leg. Give me 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, really crunching from the side, 2, and 1. Again, turning forward, dropping the hands, stepping back into a plank, moving through that chaturanga. Exhale, downward dog. Again, holding your breath or catching your breath. We'll stay here for 3 breaths this time. So inhaling through the nose, exhaling through the mouth. That's 1. That's 2. That's 3. Rolling forward, coming down to tabletop. Before dropping your knees, we're just gonna hover here and just hold to begin. Then we're gonna step out into a plank, stepping back in. Give me 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Dropping your knees all the way down to tabletop, maybe pushing back into a child's pose. Rolling on up, we are going to work on those glutes a little bit. So we are going to extend the leg, lifting it up, making sure we're not turning out, really keeping that hip down and leveled and centered. So you can either tuck the toe in the back or leave it flat. We're gonna hold it up, working on the hamstrings first, curling it in and straightening it. 2, 3, 4, really trying to isolate just that hamstring. 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, we're going to keep it up and pulse up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Give me 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dropping that knee, we're just going to do a circle to finish on the right side. So give me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And of course we have to reverse that, so give me 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Coming back into a child's pose, stretching that out. From here, roll on up. We're gonna do the other side. So tucking the toes on the right side, extending the left leg long, then lifting it. Again, making sure you're centered, maybe bringing a little more weight to the left side to help you there. And then we're going to curl our foot in, flexing it, and then extend. 2, 3. Make sure you're not sinking down. 2, really push out of the shoulders. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Again, holding it up. Now we're just gonna pulse up. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And of course, let's do those circles. Almost done here. Give me 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And let's reverse that. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. From here, tucking those toes, pushing back into a downward dog. Maybe pedaling out the legs while you're here, bringing the left one forward, holding for a second or two before switching to the other side. Excuse me, bringing the right foot down, left foot in. Let's do that 2 more times, both sides, bringing the right up, left comes down. Let's flip that. One more time, bringing the right forward, left down, left forward, right down. Bringing both feet down, we're gonna just bring a slight bend into our knees, maybe fixing the arms if necessary. Then we're going to sink into our arms and then push out. We're really gonna work into the shoulders here. So adjust as you need, but again, sinking down and pushing up. Give me 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. We're going to work a little bit deeper into the arms. So bringing your forearms down into dolphin, we're going to hold here for 2 breaths. 1, 2. Pushing back up into a full downward, holding 2 breaths. 1, 2. Do this a few more times, dropping the elbows, dolphin pose. Pushing up. Three more, come down. Exhale, pushing up. 1, 2. Last 2 here, coming down. Pushing up. Last one, come down. Push up. From this downward dog, if you're looking to have a little fun here, we are going to do just some butt kicks here just to work a little bit more on the arms and maybe getting a little bit more comfortable being upside down as well. So from here, we're going to come up to our tippy toes, looking forward in between the hands, bending the knees, kicking the butt, landing softly. Give me 2, 3, 4. Come down. Back to downward. Option to come down to child's pose as well. And do that 2 more times. Catching your breath, stretching out the arms. In through the nose. Out through the mouth. In through the nose. Out through the mouth. Last one. Rolling back up, coming back to downward dog. We're just going to practice hopping up, trying to get into those handstands. So bringing the left foot up, right foot comes down, maybe bending a little bit into that right leg, looking forward again in between the toes, hopping up, dropping down. 2, 3, 4, Come down, drop that left leg. Now bringing the right foot up, three-legged dog. Maybe not has to be as high. Again, finding a point in between your hands, bending the left leg, jumping up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come down, downward dog. Holding here. 2 more breaths. Last breath. Rolling onto your knees, onto the mat, crossing your legs, sitting back, extending your legs forward. Bringing your arms up, exhaling, forward fold. Maybe grabbing behind the hands, the toes, maybe even a yoga block if you're looking for a little bit more of a stretch. Grabbing your ankles, pull yourself back, rolling the shoulders back and down, looking forward. Stretching out those hamstrings and calves, as well as the glutes that we worked out today. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, look up, rolling shoulders back. Exhale, forward fold. Give me one more like this. Inhale, come up. Shoulders roll back and down. Exhale, forward fold. Rolling up slowly. Crossing the legs. Bringing the right arm over left, crossing it over. Holding here. Really trying to make sure your shoulder's not lifting too much. Trying to bring it down and in alignment with the other shoulder. Switching arms here, bringing the left in front, right comes over. Again, really making sure to try to keep that shoulder leveled with the right. Bringing arms up and over. Hollowing out. Exhaling, flipping the hands, stretching back. Maybe looking up as well. We'll roll our shoulders back a few times to finish. 2, 3, and 4. And let's reverse that, roll forward. 1, 2, 3, and 4. That is going to do it for our yoga sculpting class. Guys, that finalizes our yoga sculpting class. A quick yet effective burn that touched on our shoulders, our arms, core, and legs, what we're all looking to do, of course. So I hope you were able to build that internal and external heat and maybe find some serenity and some peace while flowing through as well. If you like the video, a thumbs up is always appreciated. Subscribe if you haven't already. And of course, I will see you guys in next week's class. Until then, have a great day. Namaste.